What do you know about recount text, Mbak Anel? Alicia Anel, I mean.
Recount text. Bentar, ma'am. Recount text itu
In English, Mbak, please. Yes.
Gimana, ma'am?
In English, please speak English.
Oh iya, ma'am. Recount text is a text that is telling the reader about one story, action, or activity. Recount text is a text which retells event or experience in the past.
Okay. Do you have unforgettable experience about recount text?
No.
Do you have unforgettable experience in your daily life, I mean?
Maybe no, ma'am.
No.
No.
Okay. Have you ever gone to what is it, certain tourist resort and you have beautiful moment at the time, Mbak?
Gimana, ma'am?
Do you have unforgettable moment when you went to certain places, I mean, tourist resort, I mean, maybe in Jogja, in Surabaya, in Semarang, etc. Maybe, don't you? Nggak ada cerita nggak pernah pergi kemana gitu punya unforgettable experience or moment?
Maybe
Because
when I'm in senior high school. Maybe when I'm in senior high school.
Oh, senior high school, please retell your experience.
When I'm in second grade at senior high school, me and my friends, my school have a program that we should go a study tour, and we went to Bali. In Bali, we spent 4 days. We come to many places in Bali. Example, like we come to Pandawa Beach. It's a really beautiful scenery that I look. Beautiful beach, have a lot of people, have a lot of souvenirs, and yeah, I took a lot of picture too, and I spend the time when I'm in Pandawa Beach with my friends. It's the best memories that I always remember until now. Yeah, ma'am,
Okay.
itu aja.
Okay, thank you. When you read recount text, for example, what a reading type that you would like to apply? Reading skill that you would like to apply? Skimming, scanning, intensive, or extensive reading? Kalau
Intensive
kita
maybe,
baca.
ma'am.
Intensive reading. What do you agree, Mbak Olivia, when you read recount text or you retell recount text, it will the reading skills will be applied is apa tadi Mbak, intensive reading?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What do you know about intensive reading, Mbak? Mbak, intensive reading. Mbak Olivia, please, your comment. intensive reading. Executive reading is reading strategy for fun, for having fun. How about intensive reading? Intensive reading untuk apa? Kalau extensive reading kan untuk having fun. Kalau intensive readingnya?
To find an information.
To find?
An information.
To find an information. Okay. Hope based on academic calendar applied in Muria Kudus University, the English final test or intensive reading final test will be held start from 20th June 2022. Mulai dari 20 Juni 2022. I would like to inform you related to English final test, I mean intensive reading final test. I would like to show you random text and every student maybe get different text each other. Kemungkinan dapat teks yang berbeda. And then I would like to ask you what is the reading strategy that you would like to apply when you read the text, for example, the question. And then I ask you the social function. What do you know about the text here? Where did you find the text here? Language feature, and then generic structure, what is the moral value, and then specific questions related to the text itself. Jadi ada pertanyaan spesifik juga, misalnya tentang Sangkuriang, who is the mothers of Sangkuriang, why Sangkuriang's mother married, what is the background, why Sangkuriang's mother married with Tumang, for example, like that. Specific question related to the text itself. Do you understand what I mean? It will be conducted spoken text individually through Zoom. Paham ini maksud saya? Jadi UASnya nanti lesan, nanti kan saya kasih ini teks, setiap siswa kemungkinan dapat teks yang berbeda. Saya tanya, strategi membaca yang diterapkan apa? Kemudian ini teksnya namanya apa, tergolong teks apa, tujuannya apa, jenis strukturnya apa, language features-nya apa. Kemudian ada pertanyaan spesifik yang berhubungan dengan teks tersebut. Misalnya kalau teksnya kebetulan dapat Sangkuriang. What do you know about Sangkuriang? What is the moral value that you can take from Sangkuriang? What is the synonym of the word here? Ini, kata ini. Why Dayang Sumbi, what is the reason Dayang Sumbi married with Tumang? Kayak gitu. Ya ada pertanyaan yang menjurus ke informasi detail dalam bacaan. Sudah paham ini? Nanti dilaksanakan ya, kalau berdasarkan kalender akademik sih 20 Juni ya. Jadi mohon persiapan sekitar tanggal itu. Nanti lesan lewat Zoom setiap siswa. Gitu ya Mas, Mbak. Jadi mohon disiapkan dulu. Understand my instruction? My explanation? Sudah paham ini? Halo? Mbak Stifalda paham? Mbak Ajeng? Mbak Widya? Mbak Anel? Sudah paham ini? Mbak Stifalda kok nggak join, kenapa?
Tadi join, Mem. Katanya itu listriknya mati.
Oh, Mbak Lia, ini sudah paham ini? Mbak Lia Kamilaton Nikmah, instruksinya?
Yes, ma'am.
Oke, jadi persiapan itu dulu ya. Ya, kayak seperti ini. What is the strategy of reading which you applied to read the text? Gitu. Oke, please, Mbak Anel, read as it happened.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
As it happened, one very spooky encounter with a UFO and unidentified flight. Sorry, ma'am, itu teksnya tertutup jadi enggak.
Flight occurred. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, please. Thank you, Mbak Olivia, for helping. Continue, Mbak Ajeng.
Saya ulang ya, ma'am.
Yes, please.
As it happened, one very spooky encounter with a UFO, an unidentified flying object, occurred in May 1974, involving a couple driving from Zimbabwe to South Africa. As they carefully drove through the night, they saw a flashing blue-white light that was going on and off it in a slow, steady rhythm. Shortly after noticing this, the car was covered in a bright circle of light. Inside the car, it suddenly became very cold. The couple wrapped themselves in thick blankets and turned on the heater, but they still shivered. Then their car began to act very strangely. Suddenly, the headlights went off. The brakes failed, the steering wheel locked, and the fuel could show empty. Next, the car began speeding up and reset along the road at 119 kilometers an hour.
An hour.
To one side of the car, the UFO continued to follow. The driver and his passenger lost consequence.
Consciousness. Consciousness.
When they awoke, they were near the small town of Fort Victoria. Hikar's odometer showed that only 12 kilometers had been traveled. Yet the distance from where they first saw the UFO to Fort Victoria was 290 kilometers. Although the couple's description of what happened contained plenty of details, many people find it hard to believe that UFO do exist. Finish, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Mbak. What is the text type as it happened here?
Gimana, ma'am?
What is the text type for the article or the text as it happened? Recount, narrative, or report, or the other text type?
Recount
How
text.
do you know? How do you know that it belongs to recount text?
The text telling about something happened, something apa ya, about one story, about something doing apa ya, ma'am, susah banget pakai bahasa Inggrisnya. Sesuatu yang terjadi, ma'am.
In the past, unforgettable moment in the past.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's identify the generic structure. Which one belongs to introduction? Orientation, I mean. Which one?
Paragraph 1.
Paragraph 2, entry belong to sequence of. Okay. And then which the last paragraph belongs to the last paragraph belongs to
6 paragraph. Although Atau tadi the driver ya?
No,
Bang?
I mean paragraf terakhir itu namanya apa? Bagian dari paragraf terakhir.
Ah, apa ya? Apa ya? Nah,
Itu ada concluding comment, ya kan?
itu kan
Oke, now,
coding.
ya concluding comment itu. Oke, the language
Concluding.
teacher use of proper noun. Proper noun itu contohnya mana? UFO, ya
Gimana,
kan?
Ma'am?
Proper noun. Please show me proper noun. UFO kan? Proper noun. You know proper noun? Proper noun adalah kata benda secara fisik. Kamu harus menuliskannya mengawali penulisan kata ini menggunakan huruf kapital. Proper noun-nya mana? Yang mana itu? UFO ya. Kata benda spesifik yang biasanya merujuk pada seseorang, benda, atau tempat. UFO ya di sini, benda yang spesifik. Unidentified flying object. Can you show me past tense here? Past tense. Simple past tense-nya mana? Past tense kan berarti pakai verb 2 ya, yang mana ini? Saw, and then covered, became, wrapped, terus mana lagi, turn on, began, itu ya, etc. What showing the order of events, urutan kejadian. Then, after, ya, firstly, secondly, next Mbak Alivia, selanjutnya Mbak Alivia. Okay, next. Wait for a moment. I would like to search the other descriptive text. Bentar ya. Borobudur. Wait ya, Mbak Mas. Mbak Olivia, share screen Taj Mahal ya, Mbak? Taj Mahal. Okay, the amazing Taj Mahal India. Please read Mbak apa ya? Bentar. Lia Kamilatun. Mbak Lia.
Yes, ma'am.
Ya, please Mbak Lia.
Buram, ma'am.
Bram, itu download the file in WhatsApp group in your own
Oh, okay, ma'am. I'm sorry, I can't turn on my camera because my signal
Okay,
is bad, ma'am.
That's okay ya, gak apa-apa. That's okay.
Okay. The amazing Taj Mahal in India. Taj Mahal is regarded as one of the 8 wonders of the world. It was built by a Muslim emperor, Shah Jahan, in the memory of his dear wife at Agra. Taj Mahal is a mausoleum that houses the grave of Queen Mumtaz Mahal. The mausoleum is a part of a vast complex comprising of a main gateway, an elaborate garden, mosque to the left, a guest house to the right, and several other palat- what is palatial buildings. The Taj is at the farthest end of this complex. with the river Jamuna behind it. The Taj stands on a raised square platform 189 x 189 feet, with its four comers truncated, forming an unequal octagon. The architectural design used the interlocking arabesque concept, in which each element stands on its own and perfectly integrates with the main structure. It used the principles of self-replicating geometry and symmetry of architectural elements. Its central dome is 58 feet in diameter and rises to a height of 230 feet. It is flanked by four subsidiary domed chambers. The four graceful slender minarets are 182 5 feet each. The central domed chamber and four adjoining chambers include many walls and panels of Islamic decoration. Taj Mahal is built entirely of white marble. Its stunning architectural beauty is beyond adequate description, particularly at dawn and sunset. The Taj seems to glow in the light of the full moon on a foggy morning. The visitors experience the Taj as if suspended when viewed from across the Jamima River. Done, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Why the amazing Taj Mahal belongs to description text, not report text?
Because
What?
it is describe place.
Place specifically.
Yes.
Okay, specifically. While report generally, for example, belongs to report text, mountain. You can differentiate with the other mountain, right? I mean,
Yes.
there will be, for example, Mount Muria, Merbabu Mountain, ya kan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. What is the tense used in a descriptive text?
Present tense.
Present tense. Why the tense used will be present tense? Is present tense.
Because it tell early apa ya? Is built. Kayak ada ciri-cirinya sama is itu, ma'am.
Oh gitu. And then what is it? Language features in descriptive text such as use specific participant. Which one belongs to specific participant?
Taj Mahal, the Jamima River,
Queen Mumtaz.
yes, Queen Mumtaz, and Agra.
Yes, you're right. Good. Okay, back to what file, Mbak? File what, Mbak? Mbak Olivia. Okay. As it happen next. Natural bridge. After natural bridge. Report. Next report. Okay, report. Please, Mbak. On the HOP. Hope. Okay, please, who wants to read the text? Mbak Fatika, please. Mbak Fatika.
On the hook. The first kangaroos in Australia live in rainforests, ate only insects, and were both the source of large rats. The They developed from a type of possum that came down from the trees, so search for food on the forest floor. Today, the 500-gram muskrat kangaroos, our smallest kangaroo, still has things in common with the Asian possum. For example, a big toe that can grip and groove pad on its back. There are many types of small kangaroos in Australia, even though most people have only seen or heard of the big ones. A lot of the smaller kangaroo species, such as the burrowing and grass-tailed bittongs, are in danger of extinction because sheep, cattle, and rabbits eat their food and tall grasses they use to shelter from predators like fox and feral cats. Some of the large kangaroos, such as the 90-kilogram big rat, have been helped by farming. The dams and birds put in farmers mean that they can live in dry parts of the country, and they love the nice short grass that grazing cattle leave behind. These kangaroos are in no danger of extinction. The kangaroo hop is very unusual way for a large animal to move. In you tried hopping up and straight in the same way, you would get very tired very quickly. There are a couple of reasons why kangaroos don't get tired. Even when they hop as fast as 65 kilometers per hour, they have powerful hind legs and can store a lot of energy. And then they hop their inner flocks to and fro, pumping air in and out of their lungs and having their much a lot of work. Kangaroos are marsupials, which means they raise their young in pouch, like koalas and wombats. In good condition, the female of some kangaroos, for example the red, are almost always pregnant. A day or two after a race is born, she mates again. She can produce she can produce different milk from different breeds for the oldest and younger species, and then there's that these kangaroos stop breeding until the rains come and the food supply improves.
Okay. What is the text type of the text on the hoop? What is the text type, Mbak? Report, descriptive, hortatory, narrative. And then what is it? Discussion, news item. So which one? Ini termasuk teks apa, Mbak? On the hook. It belongs to report text, right? It belongs to report text because it describes kangaroo in general. Kangaroo in Australia, right? Not specific kangaroo. For example, you have a kangaroo, your own kangaroo, and you name it. For example, what is it? Sweetie or etc. Jadi kalau deskriptif itu kan kalau kalian punya kangaroo sendiri terus kalian kasih nama Sweetie or Bunny, Brownie atau apa kan gitu. Kalau ini still general, so it belongs to report text. Did you still remember the generic structure of report text? Masih ingat gak generic structure report text? Report, come on, generic structure, report text. Ke atas, Mbak Olivia, slide-nya ke atas. Artikel on the hoop itu kan ada ini, information related to report text? Coba di atasnya on the hoop. Halo, Mbak Livia.
The first
Yes, ma'am.
paragraph.
Ya, informasi related to report text coba. Report. Oh, gini aja ya. Ke bawah, ke bawah. Oh, no. Oke, ayo dicari report text, please. Report.
The first paragraph belong to general classification.
Ya, general classification, and then paragraph 2 until the last will be.
Will be description.
Oke, good. The next di bawahnya pertanyaannya related to on the hoop. The question related to the hoop text. Ke bawah Mbak Olivia teksnya. Why is the titles tadi? Why